Hello everyone, I am Shruti Bubna and I am the student of RN College BCA semester first. Today our topic is pointer in C. So let's start. First of all, we will see the contents which we are going to discuss in this topic. About pointer, pointer declaration, operators in pointer, some programs of pointers, advantages and disadvantages of pointers, and types of pointer. So first of all, what is pointer? The pointer in C language is a variable which stores the address of another variable. This variable can be of type int, char, array, function, or any other pointer. The size of the pointer depends on the architecture. It is printed out using %u, which is a format specifier to print an unsigned integer that refers to the memory address. Now let's consider the following examples to define a pointer which stores the address of an integer. Int n equals to 10, int asterisk p equals to and ampersand n. Here, variable p of type pointer is pointing to the address of the variable of n type of integer. Now see the syntax of the pointer. Data type, asterisk symbol and pointer. Variable name. Here data type is the pointer based data type of C variable and indicates the type of the variable that the pointer points to. Now pointer declaration. A pointer is declared like a variable with appropriate data type. The pointer in C language can be declared using asterisk symbol. It is also known as indirectional operator used to dereference a pointer. Here int asterisk a. Here we have declared the pointer to a integer type of value a, and this is char asterisk c. This is character type variable. Now let's see the examples of pointer. An example of using pointer to print the address and value is given below. As you can see in the below figure, pointer variable stores the address of number variable IFFF4. The value of the number variable is 50. But the address of the pointer p is AAA3. By the help of indirectional operator, we can print the value of pointer p. Now here is the program for the example. #include stereo.h. It is the header file. This is the main functions. Begin. Int num equals to 50. Here we declare the number and assign it at 50. Int asterisk p equals to ampersand number. Here p stores the address of number variable. Printf. Address of p variable is %x p. Here p contains the address of the number. Therefore, printing p gives the address of a number. Now, value of p variable is %d asterisk p. As we know that asterisk is used to dereference a pointer. Therefore, if we print asterisk p, we will get the value stored at the address contained by p. Now return 0. Here is the output. The first one is address of p variable. Address of p variable is FFF4. As you can see here, address of number variable is FFF4. Now value of p variable is 50. Yes, the value of p variable is 50. Now operators used in pointer. First one is address operator. The symbol ampersand used in C's address of operators is used to access the address of a variable and assign it to a pointer to initialize it. Consider the following examples. Int m equals to 15 asterisk mptr. Here we have declared the variable and pointer. Mptr equals to ampersand m. Here we assigned address to the pointer. Int a equals to 15 asterisk aptr equals to ampersand a. Here the declaration and assignment occurs. Second one is indirectional operator. The symbol asterisk is an indirectional operator called value at address operator, which is used to access the value of a variable through a pointer, or it gives the value stored at a particular address. Here is also the examples of indirectional operator. Now let's discuss advantages of pointers. Pointer reduces the code and improves the performance. It is used to retrieving strings, trees, etc. and use with arrays, structures and pointers. We can return multiple values from a function using pointer. It makes you able to access any memory location in the computer's memory. Pointers are also used in dynamic memory allocation. Function pointer provides a way of passing around instructions for how to do something. We can write flexible functions and libraries that allows the programmer to choose behavior by passing functions, pointers as arguments. Block of memory can be allocated. Pointers can be used to write compact and efficient programs. Now let's discuss disadvantages of pointers. Pointers are a bit difficult to understand. Pointers can cause several errors such as segmentation errors or unrequired memory access. If a pointer has an incorrect value, it may corrupt the memory. Pointers may also cause memory leakage. The pointers are relatively slower than the variables. Now, uses of pointers. There are many applications of pointers in C language. First is dynamic memory allocation. In C language, we can dynamically allocate memory using malloc and calloc functions where the pointer is used. Second one is arrays, functions and structures. Pointers in C language are widely used in arrays, functions and structures. It reduces the code and improves the performance. Now, pointer to a function. Pointer as a function parameter is used to hold address of arguments passed during function call. This is the program for pointer to functions. Include stereo.h, int add, int main, int ab. Here we have declared the two variables. Now we will take input from the user. ip add result. Here int add we have declared that we want the sum of the programs. Now it will gives output as the sum of the two input numbers. Now pointer to array. The following program shows the uses of pointers to arrays. This is the header file. We will define size 10. We will start our main functions. Int array size index, int asterisk ptr, clr. This is used for clearing screen. Now we will use for loop to print the data or take input from the user. Index equals to 0. Index is less than size. Index plus plus. In for loop we use three parts. First one is initialization part, second one is test conditions part, and third one is updation part. Now we will take input from the user one by one up to size 10. ptr equals to 8rr. For index equals to 0, index is less than size, index plus plus. We will print the values of the Then finish. Now we will discuss pointer to structure. The following program shows the uses of pointers to structures. Include stereo.h. We will make a structures here. Struct student, int student number, char s name in student name, float marks. Here we have declared the structure type variable. Now we will enter the student number, student name and student marks. We will print the details of the students. Numbers equals to %d because it is an integer type variable, so we will use %d as a format specifier. Now we will print the name, and the name is string type variable, so we will use %s as a format specifier. And now marks can be in decimal form, so we can use %f as a format specifier. Now we will print the values. Now pointer to pointer. The following program shows the uses of pointers to pointers. Hashtag include stereo.h. This is the header files. Now we will start our main functions. Here we declared the num variable, int ptr1 and asterisk ptr2. We will use clear screen, clr. We will assign num as 20. ptr1 equals to %num. ptr2 equals to %ptr1. Here ptr stores the address of num and ptr2 stores the address of ptr1. Now we will print the normal numbers which we have taken the input. Which we have assigned here. Now second one, ptr holds the address which value is %t. After using ptr1, it will holds the address which value is. Printf address of num. Here we have declared we have printed the numbers. This is the program for the pointer to pointer. Now types of pointer. There are 8 different types of pointer which are as follows: null pointer, void pointer, wild pointer, dangling pointer, complex pointer, near pointer, far pointer and use pointer. Now first we will discuss about null pointer. We can create a null pointer by assigning the null value at the same time of pointer declaration. This method is useful when you do not assign any address to the pointer. A null pointer always contains a value 0. Here let's see the examples of the null pointer. Include stereo.h int main. Here we assign asterisk ptr equals to null. We can also call it null pointer. Now we will print the variable. It will gives a null value. Now void pointer. It is a pointer that has no associated data type with it. A void pointer can hold addresses of any type and can be typecast to any type. It is also called a generic pointer and does not have any standard data type. It is created by using the keyword void. Now let's see the examples. Following is the C program for the void pointer. Hashtag include stereo.h int main void asterisk p equals to null. Here we have declared a void pointer. Now printf, the size of the pointer is %t. Size of the p depends on the compiler, as I have told you earlier. Third one is while pointer. A while pointer is only declared but not assigned on any address of any variable. They are very tricky and they may cause segmentation error. Examples is header files hashtag include stereo.h int main int asterisk ptr printf ptr equals to %d asterisk ptr returns 0. Now dangling pointer. Suppose there is a pointer p pointing at a variable at a memory 1004. If you deallocate this memory, then this p is called a dangling pointer. You can deallocate a memory using free functions. Here is the examples of dangling pointer. Hashtag include stereo.h include library.h int main int asterisk ptr equals to int asterisk malloc size of int a equals to 5. Here the value of a is equals to 5. ptr equals to %a means ptr stores the address of a variable. Free ptr. Now this ptr is known as dangling pointer. Printf, after deallocating its memory, ptr equals to %t ptr now returns 0. Now summary, what we have discussed in this topic. A pointer is nothing but a memory location where data is stored. A pointer is used to access the memory location. There are various types of pointers such as a null pointer, wild pointer, void pointer and other types of pointer. Pointers can be used with array and string to access elements more efficiently. We can create function pointers to invoke a function dynamically. Arithmetic operators can be done on a pointer, which is known as pointer arithmetics. Pointers can also point to functions which make it easy to call different functions in the case of defining an array of pointers. When you want to deal with different variables data type, you can use a typecast void pointer. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.